Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen issue in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PC, whether you're playing through Battle.net, Steam, or the Xbox app. If the game launches but stays on a black screen, or you can hear sound without seeing anything, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back into the action quickly. First, open the Start menu on your PC and click on Settings. From there, go to Privacy and Security, then open Windows Security. Once you're inside Windows Security, look for Firewall and Network Protection and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options here. Next, click on Domain Network. You'll see an option for Microsoft Defender Firewall. Turn it off and confirm by clicking Yes when prompted. This step helps rule out firewall interference that can sometimes cause a black screen in games like Black Ops 6. Now, go back to the Firewall and Network Protection page and click on Private Network. Once again, disable the Microsoft Defender Firewall and confirm your choice. After that, return to the same page and click on Public Network, then disable the firewall there as well. These steps ensure the game isn't being blocked by network restrictions during launch. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is fully updated, your graphics drivers are up to date, and no VPN is running in the background. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent black screen issues from coming back. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Black Ops 6 black screen issue on PC without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their gaming session a little easier?